Okay, so it's Wednesday morning. The cement work from yesterday came out really good, except last night some dog walked all over it and left dog paw prints all over it. I'll show you a little later. But Gonell says he can fix that. I'm sure he can. And now we're forming up the very edge of the property here. So this road, and you go right into the garages. Everybody's digging because we got to fill a bunch of these holes that are low and in the wet. And here's the champion. Huh? Hello. My thumb gun? Look at this. Look at these paw prints all over the beautiful finish. Oh, here we have some repair work going on. Just gonna fill it up, but it'll never be the same as perfect. I don't think so anyways. Cement, sir, am I? Sir? It's tiger cement. It's got the glue in it, so it'll really stick. And then just do that, and it'll draw a slightly different color, I'm sure, but no big deal. No big deal. And over here, we got the plastic that we used yesterday to cover up the cement. We got to get it ready for the next pour, just in case we have some rain, which I don't think we'll have, because we have good luck all the time, right? She wants to get it nice and clean. And back here we have all the septic tanks over there, so we have to dig in some stuff. And this is going to be leveled out and all poured with cement, but that's later. Okay, see you later. Bye for now.